What's up, guys? In this video, we are going to check out the top 5 best mechanical keyboards under 100 that are available on the market for their true quality. We have made this list based on overall performance, price, quality, and more. If you choose from this list, you can rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please check the product's link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome content like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Cooler Master K552. The Cooler Master K552 is the greatest mechanical keyboard for the money for the majority of customers. It features RGB lights, an aluminum top plate, and a 5.9-foot USB 2.0 connection. It comes with red, blue, or brown Gateron switches. Our evaluation machine was outfitted with Gateron red switches that proved sensitive while gaming so responsive, in fact, that our viewer accidentally hit keys on occasion. This also indicates that it was sluggish during intensive typing sessions. Choosing a new switch type could be helpful, but other switch types are now more difficult to locate online. The K552's onboard memory can hold up to 4 profiles, and its on-the-fly controls make it simple to record macros and adjust the illumination, making it ideal for gamers and enthusiasts. It is also compatible with the Cooler Master Portal utility, which allows more granular control over many of the same areas as Razer's Synapse but is not as robust. Nonetheless, this dual approach should appeal to those who dislike installing a large amount of software as well as those who desire more control over their peripherals. Number 2. Logitech K845. The Logitech K845's aluminum top plate makes it feel more expensive than a keyboard in this price range. If you're used to heavier, more costly keyboards, the 1.72-pound weight and plastic case may not seem high quality. Although we don't like the font, the switches are rated for 50 million clicks, and the molded keycaps keep the labels from fading. Software, media keys, and a detachable cord are absent. RGB backlights seem better than white. At this price, we don't expect all that. The keyboard's flip-up plastic feet are more durable than those of many higher-priced keyboards. If you need a basic mechanical clacker for business, the Logitech K845 is a good option if you can get it on sale for less than $59.99. Number 3. Havit KB487L. It contains a number pad instead of the customary cluster of shortcut buttons on the right-hand side of a standard TKL keyboard. This results in a have your cake and eat it too design that gives the space-saving benefits of a TKL keyboard without forcing spreadsheet enthusiasts to use the number row. Our reviewer, who rarely uses the shortcut cluster or number pad, did not notice the difference during everyday use. However, it is almost certain to confuse those who are accustomed to a conventional layout. Havit also outfitted the KB487L with sturdy PBT keycaps that have a pleasant feel and unique black, white, and orange color scheme that distinguishes the KB487L from the sea of monochromatically faced keyboards now available. This looks and feels KB487L nothing like an inexpensive mechanical keyboard. It may not be your ideal experience, but it is superior to the vast majority of linear switch-equipped alternatives. Number 4. MSI Vigor K50 Low Profile. Mechanical keyboards with low profile switches might be expensive, but the MSI Vigor K50 Low Profile is currently on sale for roughly $45 and gives one of the greatest mechanical keyboard experiences for the price. It is competitive with expensive keyboards and excels at typing in particular. The unashamedly loud clicks of its low-profile chopped switches evoke thoughts of typewriters. We really appreciated the quick response, which inspired us to move our fingers even faster. It is not an ideal keyboard. In fact, we found the firmer shift key and spacebar to hinder our ability to use the keyboard quickly while gaming. In addition, the accompanying program does not yet download properly. Thus, RGB and other customization options are limited. However, this clacker has the quick switches that gamers require and the design they enjoy, as well as a typing experience that left us nostalgic and anxious to get to work. Number 5. Keychron K2. Keychron K2 is a 75% layout, 84-key, wireless mechanical keyboard with white LED backlight and hot swappable keys. It provides all the necessary keys and functions while being compact and allow customization per key. The Keychron K2 features all the multimedia and function keys you need, as well as a Mac-specific layout that is compatible with Windows. Included are additional keycaps for both Windows and Mac operating systems. connects to up to 3 devices using a dependable Broadcom Bluetooth 5.1 chipset, and allows for easy switching between them for multitasking demands. The K2 is optimal for home, office, and light gaming. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for this review. I hope you guys have enjoyed our work. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. See you guys later.